Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the MSI Bravo 15.6-inch gaming laptop. There is not much information on this box other than the MSI logo. However, we will take a quick look around. Okay, mostly manufacturer information, as you can tell from here. There you go. And yeah, that's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look at the components inside. So we're gonna make a cut. Okay, there's another box inside. I'm going to pull that out. Okay, this is your second box. This has a, you can see the MSI logo over here and this emblem over here as well. So bright, it's a pretty, I'll do this part again. It's a black box with some green and golden text on it, as you can see. A lot of information here, but mostly, once again, as you can tell from here, the sticker over here, manufacturer information, there you see. And over here it's written 7nm technology gaming laptop. So that's a great information. Now let's open this box and take a look at the components inside. Right off the bat, we have the laptop. I'm going to take it out and leave it on one side before I go, take a look at it. There seems to be a tray here. There are some documents over here. This is the charging adapter. And this should be, yes, the rest of the charging cable. Put this tray back here. And that's more or less what you get inside this box. Now let's take a quick look at each of these components. Starting with the documents. So these are your documents. They are in this sealed packet. This is basically assurance checking and also the hot function recovery, basically your installation guide and your user manual. This is the user manual. This is a gaming notebook assurance checking checkbook. So yeah, I'm going to leave this over here. This is the charging cable, a 3-pin 250 volt charging cable. Yes, this is a 250 volt charging cable. I think you can tell from here. There you go. You can tell from here. I'm going to leave this over here as well. And this is the power brick for the charger. Yep. This is a 180 watt power brick for this particular laptop. It's a massive power brick. I'm going to leave this on one side as well. Now let's take a look at the laptop. I will remove all these layers. There's a plastic layer and a cloth layer as well. I'm going to remove all of that. So once again, a very clearly gaming inspired design, a solid rugged design as well. You can see the MSI emblem right over here, which is a very classy look. There are many vents. You can see all the vents and fans that are in this particular laptop. All of this is provided to make sure that this laptop is cool when you're gaming. There you go. This is an HDMI port and a power port right over here. And on the other side, we have a fair amount of ports, as you can see. This is your 3.5mm port for your earphones, followed by 2 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports, and you have your LAN port as well. And now let's take a look at the interior of this particular laptop. There you go. This is what it looks like. This is once again not a full keyboard, however it does have the directional keys, which is a great touch. I'm going to switch this on. Notice the very unique power button over here. Now that I put it on, you can see the display. There was a MSI logo that vanished. Now you can see there's an actual display. Sorry, I'll just wait for the focus to come back. There you go. This is what the display looks like. It has once again a very thin bezel and This has FreeSync Premium logo right over here. Speaking of logos, there are quite a number of stickers over here. Let me get you a closer look. Over here, this one says that this particular laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7-4800 series, particularly the 4800H. Yes, the 4800H processor. And this laptop is also powered by the AMD Radeon RX 5500 graphics card. This part you also have some stickers like this particular, more information like this, for instance, as I mentioned earlier, this particular monitor has a very thin bezel and it also supports high-res audio and HDMI functionalities as well. Furthermore, this keyboard also has a backlight, and I can control this using this particular, the function key can be used to control the brightness among other things, like so. Yes, now the page up and page down button, you can control the backlight using the function button and the page up, page down button. And for the brightness of the display, like this display over here, you can press the function button and press up and down like so to reduce the brightness of the monitor. There you go, as you can see. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the MSI Bravo 15 15.6-inch gaming laptop.